Hi everyone and welcome to RobTech Lab Adventures. In this episode we are in Italy for 4 days. First, Amelia, a beautiful hilltop village just over an hour from Rome. This is going to be our base for the trip and we are getting some amazing drone shots over the town. Then Spello, just a quick stop through this charming little town. Next, Cucco Mountain, where we do a hike with incredible views. And at the end, a motorbike ride to a beautiful secret spot I can't wait to show you. Let's go! Day 2, we are going to Spello, just over an hour from Amelia. Here's the map showing the route. It's a very short stop, just a quick walk around the town and the streets. Let's check it out. On day 3, we reached Cucco Mountain for a short hike. About 4 kilometers to the top. Trail was amazing, and from the summit we got some incredible shots. And on the last day, I took a motorbike ride to a very quiet secret spot. It was a perfect place to fly my drone and just enjoy being out there.